Hi everyone. I decided to do a video because I want to be a little bit more techie. So my name's Hannah Harris and I am from Pennsylvania. I originally started in like a small southeastern part of Pennsylvania, and now I'm up in a small northeastern part of Pennsylvania. So I went from very close to the Maryland line to very close to the New York border. My educational background, went to high school down in my little town, then went to Penn State York for 2 years and Penn State main campus for 3 years, finished my degree there, and as I was finishing up, I also worked at Williamsport, which had a horticulture program, worked there for a little bit and while someone was on maternity leave, and then moved all the way north and where I'm at now, which is Troy Area High School. So it's a small ag program. We have a very good community, very agriculturally based. It's a single teacher program, so it keeps me busy. Outside of being a student, I have a small hobby farm that I'm starting. Right now, adding beef cows. I don't come from a farm, and my families aren't related in the ag background at all. So it's keeping me very busy. I've also tried to take up a few new hobbies lately to get my stress levels down. So I've started playing guitar and trying to knit, and I try to cook a lot. Everybody's got to eat. I also have a dog, so he keeps me very busy. He's actually here with me right now. I'm at school on an in-service day, and he's hanging out. So why this course? I am taking this course because ultimately I want to get my master's. Getting my bachelor's was something that was a step to being an ag teacher, but I'm going to get my master's to be a more efficient agriculture teacher. And maybe in the future, when I want a family, I will go a different route, maybe to industry, but I still feel like this background is going to help me. And this class specifically, I think is going to be very applicable to what I teach every day. I'm already starting to see some things that I feel like I can apply, and one thing that I have applied, talking to kids about their working memory and when it gets too full, and how they kind of hit a block sometimes. I talked to a couple students about that, and they said that they definitely see that. And I myself noticed that in myself, something I'd never really noticed before. So week one, and I'm already starting to find some cool stuff. So I'm really excited to see how this will help me change my curriculum, because my curriculum has never been the same. Anytime I teach any class, it always changes, and I tell the kids that too. I think it's important to see a lot of change in things, and I'm hoping this will help me in structuring my classes, organizing the environment, organizing the students, a lot of the things that were in chapter 1. So really excited to be in class with everyone, and I can't wait to watch your videos or read about you guys.